Girl in charge of Britain's biggest baby. Pat Moryen is the maid-of-all-work to an 11-month-old hippopotamus. Try bathing a hippo, and you need the bathing costume. Hilda, owned by Richard Chipperfield, weighs as much as 2 sacks of coal, and she's just about as hard to keep properly clean. It's a good job Pat is an all-the-year-round bathing belle. With a baby that big to play nanny to, you're apt to get wet. Delicate, these babies, too. Skin as tender as, well, so tender that if Pat overdoes it, Hilda takes a dive. Next time you grumble about bathing Junior, think of this girl.